Hello, little mice. Welcome to the world of the fat cats. And we have some news from exchange fat cat, Binance. You know, Bitcoin has dipped a lot in the last few days. Well, guess what? The fat cats are not selling, especially not Binance. In fact, they've added over 43,000 Bitcoin to their wallet. That's right, that's not $43,000 worth of Bitcoin because that'd be like one Bitcoin. 43,000 Bitcoins to their wallet during this dip. So they're scooping up this dip like crazy. They know, unlike you, that it's going to go up and they're not panic selling. See, these exchanges, they're not leveraging 100 to 1 and they're not liquidating themselves. They are just liquidating you and they are accumulating these Bitcoins for their fat pockets. That's exactly what they're doing. So Binance Whale Wallet added 43,000 Bitcoin. And as we will see, that's actually a Binance wallet that was supposed to be used for issuing coins, but they've turned it into a cold storage wallet. So it may not be an investor of Binance buying these coins, but indeed Binance themselves fattening up their own pockets. And maybe, just maybe, they were part of the ones that liquidated and caused this dip. Now, once again, like whales and fat cats, they don't completely dominate the market, but they do have a lot of influence. There is still public sentiment in the form of maybe Elon Musk that can impact the market, and even Binance can't predict something dumb like that, but they can take advantage of the rapid emotional movements of crypto investors. And crypto investors tend to be very, very emotional, especially the leverage traders, because they really don't have any choice. So Bitcoin billionaires, i.e. Binance, have continued to accumulate during the dip. Outside of Binance, the third largest Bitcoin address also accumulated, adding 551 Bitcoin since last time. So the thing is, this particular Binance wallet, they actually confirmed it was from Binance. The intended use of the wallet address was for Binance to issue a number of crypto-pegged tokens on Binance Chain. So it was supposed to be used to issue certain tokens on BSC, but that's been wiped off the map because now it's being used as a cold storage for BTC instead. They know Bitcoin's going to be worth a lot more, so that's why you should hang on to your Bitcoin and not sell. They know Bitcoin's going to be worth a lot more in the future, and this is a temporary dip. And if Binance knows it's a temporary dip, it's probably a temporary dip. However, the wallet appears to have evolved into a cold storage wallet for the world's largest crypto exchange, so it actually belongs to Binance proper, not just one of its clients. The wallet again was labeled as Binance BTC Reserve Wallet Address. The wallet has actually been used to mine 13,000 BTC onto the Binance Smart Chain. However, it is being used as storage. At the time of this writing, the wallet is valued roughly at $5 billion. Now that is some diamond hands. So while everyone else is panicking and saying this is the end of the world, not Binance, and they know better than any of these so-called experts that people believe in. They know this is not a serious dip, and they know they can wait it out a couple months until it actually goes back up. So that's why they are accumulating and bought 43,000 Bitcoin. They know this is a temporary dip, and it will reverse course probably fairly soon. And maybe, just maybe, they bought so many because they thought it might be close to the bottom, because they probably have some market insider info that we don't. And we all know the exchanges play this game. The exchanges buy and invest just like any other investor, except they do it on a much bigger scale because they have a lot more money. And because they have so much Bitcoin going through, they can manipulate the markets as well without really even playing leverage, because they have so much money they can outright buy hundreds or thousands of Bitcoins without leveraging at all. So they don't need to be afraid of being margin called or liquidated. So that's kind of like the news right now, is that such a big entity like Binance would actually buy 43,000 Bitcoin right now while the market is dipping. I think that kind of signals that we might actually be nearing the bottom, or even if we aren't, they know it's going to pop back up probably within a few months. Otherwise, based on the intelligence they have, they might have actually waited a while before buying 43,000, because 43,000 Bitcoins is still a lot of money right now. 43,000 times 43,000 again, you're looking at, hundreds, you're looking at billions of dollars. at this point, essentially. You are looking at billions of dollars, like $1.6 billion. I don't think they would recklessly like just invest that much if they thought Bitcoin was going for another 30-40% dump. But obviously, Binance's information, they're not gods. They're not perfect either, so they could be wrong. But they have more information than the rest of us. So based on this fat cat action, they might actually be signaling the bottom. Or could they have something to do with this drop altogether? Could they be the ones dropping it so they can make this $43,000 purchase? We don't know, and we can only guess. But that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you, and have a nice day.